Let's have a view of Indian census 2011. So let's see what the Indian census has to tell. Let's begin with Indian census. What is a census? First, census is an official survey of entire population. The government of India conducts a census once in 10 years. And the first census was done in 1871 and after independence in 1951 and now in 2011. The population of India in 1951 was 36 crores and now it is 121 crores. So India has 2.4% of the world's land area but has 17.50% of this world population. And Uttar Pradesh is highly populated and Sikkim is very thinly populated, least populated state of India. And literacy, if we talk about literacy, the literacy rate was 16% of the population in 1951. It increased to 74% in 2011 and 70% lives in villages and 30% lives in towns, 5100 towns and 380 cities. And age group, 65% of the population is below the age of 35 years. And next we talk about the language. 41% of Indians speak Hindi while the rest speak regional languages. This was what about the census of India 2011. Then this census will be conducted after every 10 years.